Hello Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Anchor coin price changes. What's the current price of Anchor coin? What's the price changes occurring in the Anchor coin? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friend, this time the price of the Ankr coin is 0.075313 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is positive, last 1 week changes is also positive, my friends. So every change occur in the Ankr coin in this time is positive, my friends. Absolutely, the Ankr coin price is very fastly moving up. Let me show you the price chart of the Ankr coin for more and better understanding, my friends. Absolutely, oh my goodness, that is just the last 1 day price chart of the Ankr coin. You can see that in the last 4 hours the Ankr coin taken a huge pump. So that's really a good news for all Ankr coin holders, my friends. Be alert, buy more and more Ankr coin, especially short-term investor, my friends. I really recommend for all of you that please buy more and more Ankr coin, my friends. My friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the last 1 day, so 2.01% changes occur in the Ankr coin, and the highest price of the Ankr coin is 0.075632 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr coin in the last 1 day period, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends.